Using Flex is a really great way to create a responsive image gallery. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. And we'll just do it try it yourself, but basically you can see that we can scroll through, and this is just an example of an image gallery. Okay, and let's go ahead and take a look at the code. And you'll see that as we make the gallery wider, we can go from a 4-column grid down to a 2-column grid, down to a 1-column grid, which would be a really nice image gallery that would work on a desktop, on a tablet, or in a mobile view also. Okay, so let's just take a quick look at what's going on. And you'll see that we have our parent elements right here. And we have the class row, and this is where Flex is being added. So all of the descendant divs will become Flex elements. So just to simplify things, let's go ahead and remove 3 of our columns for a moment. So I'll just cut these and we'll update. And you'll see now that we have just one single column here. Okay. And if we scroll up, and let's go ahead and find first row. This is where we add Flex. Flex wrap is being set to wrap for each of the rows. And then we have column. The Flex is being set to 25%. Okay. And then if we scroll down, we'll see that our columns are going to be set to 50%. When we get a max width of 800, they'll be set to 100% at a max width of 600. So if you'll see that there is 100% when the max width is 600 pixels wide, and then as we go up or we go wider, then you'll see that once the max width is reached 800 pixels, that our width is being set to 50%, okay? And as we get wider, we'll go to 25%, okay? All right. So if we take a look at, we're targeting, I believe, column. Okay, so we're telling column Flex and then be a certain width. Okay, and then at this, we're telling this to Flex and be 50%. All right, so let's go ahead and add our other elements back in. Okay, and we'll go ahead and run, and you'll see that they again stack up. So let's just take a quick look. We have our elements, again, our row being set to Flex. We're telling the elements inside to wrap. Then what we're doing is targeting each of the columns. We're telling each of the column elements to be Flex elements, and we're telling them to be a certain width. Okay, and that width then can change based on these different media queries. So this is a really simple way just to create some columns, okay, and have those columns, depending on their width, change to be a 1-column grid, a 2-column grid, or a 3-column grid. Okay, so pretty nice use, pretty good little demonstration here of creating a responsive image grid very easily using CSS Flexbox.